Evening all, it's Friday the 19th of July, about 6 p.m. Finished paid work, sitting behind a screen a couple of hours ago, and since done a couple of builders merchant runs. I've picked up 6 bulk bags of 50mm clean gravel for a couple of catch drains or whatever they're called, surface water drains. That is this week's project really. I've been digging some trenches for drainage. Haven't filmed it because there's probably a million videos on digging trenches, so I didn't do anything on that. I will do if people want to see it, but I've put it all in and just thought I'd talk you through what I'm doing really. Oh, I've got a new microphone as well, so I'm doing a bit of a talking video, see if it sounds any different. I've been a bit under the weather this week, so I'm a bit croaky, but you can deal with that, I'm sure. Right, so I'll explain what I'm doing. My place is in a bit of a bowl, and if I sort of show you, sorry about the sunlight, but a lot of the land around me, I don't know if you can really see that, is higher than me, and my house, or the yard, gets quite a lot of surface water runoff, or whatever it's called. So I've designed a bit of a system, I think, to catch some of that surface water and take it down by the pond where I'm a bit happier. It's a bit more marshy down there anyway, and I'm quite happy with it there. So I've teed this into the Dutch barn drains, so I'll give you a bit of a walking tour of what I've done, then set a time lapse of me filling the drains in and doing my work there. So this here is the highest point on the system. That is where the runoff comes, the worst of it comes down from the Christmas trees, the conifers, into my little catch drain, which is going to be filled with the 50mm clean gravel, down to my chamber, which is, careful not to break my neck, there. This one here goes to the Dutch barn gutters. This one here is going to go to a gutter that doesn't exist yet from the big barn, and carport that's hopefully going to go there when hopefully get my planning permission. I haven't put in for that yet, but I've got somebody on the case. So yeah, I've got a bit of pea gravelling to do. It's, I don't know, not want to moan about the heat, or try not to, but it's 26, 27 degrees here. It's probably hotter in other parts of the country, but it's warm enough for me when you got trousers on. There's a few horseflies around and I'm a bit frightened of them, so it's warm enough when you're shoveling 4 tons of pea gravel and then soon to be 6-ton bags of 50mm clean gravel. So anyway, I'll set you going on time lapse and see you in a bit. You may wonder, as I do sometimes, why I do things by hand like that when I've got my mate's 1.7 ton Kubota and my 3CX with pallet forks. Why shovel and manhandle gravel and stuff manually when you've got machines? But I've fallen into that trap before. I've rolled my mate, well, put it on its side, my mate's mini digger with pea gravel, fell into a trench, so I'm a bit more wary of that now. So I do it the old-fashioned way, like you've just seen. I'll put it on time lapse anyway, and then I can put some of the finer soil on top and then drag it back in, horse it in with the bigger bucket on my mate's mini digger. So no, just in case you're wondering, that's why.